Hello, this is how to create partition or partitions hard disks from local disk C. As you can see, the hard disk is one hard disk. Now go to this PC, right click, show more options, manage, tap manage. Go to disk management. That's where you will see the hard disks. Now right click, C, shrink volume. Wait for the shrinking process. Now create the space you want to get after shrinking. Click shrink. Wait for the process. Now it is the partition has been created, but it is unallocated. So new simple volume, click next, click next. Assign letter you want to give it, next. Now format, click next, finished. Now wait for the process of formatting, and after the process is done, you'll see the disk you have created. Thank you.